Hi, I'm JoAnnie, and if you saw my home tour, you know that my closet is my special place. I'm going to show you some fun ways to make your closet more functional. One of the things that I do is cut up pool noodles and put them inside of my boot to keep them straight. If you add a drop of essential oil, it makes them smell nice too. As you can see, I have a lot of clothes, and to help keep them organized, I got 45s, cut them, and put them between the different kinds of clothes. It's a good way to separate my dresses from my tops to my sweaters. To make the dividers, get a 45 record, take an X-Acto, cut it in half, and slide it right on. I'm very lucky to have a large closet. I have a lot of space that I can play with, and I like it to be like my very own boutique. So if you have the room, style it, make it fun. Probably one of my favorite things in my closet are my hangers. My mother wrapped every hanger in my closet with leftover pieces of fabric and yarn, and not only is it colorful, it's really helpful for tank tops so they don't slide off. This is a plain white hanger. Strip of fabric, little glue on the end of it, and just overlap it, wrap it, glue it down. It's that simple. If you like this video, subscribe to Handmade for more videos just like it.